Tired of juggling leads, sales, and invoices with a million different tools? Let's dive into how to set up Zoho CRM to manage your leads like a pro. First, import your existing leads by navigating to the Leads module, then selecting Import. Upload your CSV file, making sure to map the columns correctly to fields like name, email, and phone number. Remember to create custom fields, if necessary, for any unique data you track. Now, let's optimize your sales pipeline using the Deals module. Customize your pipeline stages such as qualification, proposal, negotiation, and closed one by going to Setup, then Customization, and finally, Modules and Fields. Drag and drop deals between stages as you move them through your sales process. Don't forget to log activities, like calls and emails, directly within each deal record. Time to link your sales to invoicing with Zoho Books. If you haven't already, integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho Books from the Zoho Marketplace. Once connected, when a deal reaches the closed one stage, easily create an invoice directly from the CRM. The deal information will automatically populate the invoice details, saving you time and reducing errors. Customize your invoice templates in Zoho Books to match your branding and your logo, company details, and preferred color scheme. You can also set up automated payment reminders to ensure timely payments from your clients. Finally, track your performance with Zoho CRM's powerful reporting features. Create custom reports to monitor key metrics like lead conversion rates, deal closure rates, and sales revenue. Use these insights to identify areas for improvement and optimize your sales strategy. You're all set. Happy selling!